Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke i-button subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, okhishwa nesenti nje elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi ukuthi phela-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi leli-ke njalo. So ungakwenza nje lapho ucindezele i-button usubscribe njengamanje-ke udabulethele namhlanje njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi i-MK laphana-ke isahamba phambili-ke laphana-ke ngamavoti-ke e-KZN-ke ilandelwa-ke i-ANC na-ke laphana-ke o-MK ube sephumela kubala-ke eveza into abazogxila kuzona abazozenza ukuze bathuthukise-ke i-KZN-ke laphana-ke njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi impela ingathi-ke isahamba-ke phambili-ke nokhetho lokuthi-ke iphathi-ke la, kodwa ngifundisi wenza ngami-ke umuntu engenza nje kuphela nje dadedela-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke ngawakho amandla. Masicela kulapho nasemazwile-ke le video lena ungene ema-comment section-ke ubhale ucabangani ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lo-ke masicindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi mali, kumahhala nje okhishwa nesenti-ke imnyama-ke leli-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Hello everyone. So the last votes have been counted and it looks like MK is going to be doing exceptionally well. I want to thank each and every voter that waited in those long queues, came out to support MK party in this elections. Now, from our preliminary results that we have from our party agents, it is clear, crystal clear, that MK has won KwaZulu-Natal. It's not just a under 50% win, but it's over 50%. This means that MK takes KwaZulu-Natal. You look at wards in Msinga, an area that's dominated by the IFP, the MK party has wiped the slates. Now, this is positive news for those of you that live in KwaZulu-Natal, because MK has a clear plan to transform KwaZulu-Natal and make it the economic hub of this country. Yes, we've got two ports, we've got coal that travels through this province, we have got our beaches, tourism, but most importantly, we're going to deal with failing municipalities. Once we take over the province, and Kokta in particular, we will declare all the hung municipalities as dissolved. We'll call for fresh elections in those municipalities, put in place real leadership so that issues of service delivery, water, electricity, and all of those that's plaguing our communities will be resolved. So good signs lie ahead.